Pierre, you want to come out here?
What's going on, guys? It's Jake from SVG Tapes. Today we're going to be bringing you an S2000 video that is long overdue. Was finally able to get a differential, so today we're going to be installing that. We went and picked it up earlier, and it's going to be good. It's just a stock diff. Still waiting on a built one from Putty Mod. That should be here in like April at some point. So got a dyno tune with John Kerr and May. I got to do some things before, just make sure everything's good, like engine wise and all that. So yeah, today it's cold out. Obviously, you see me dressed like this. We are gonna be diving into this thing again. Finally, it's been a long time. I haven't driven this thing. I mean, it's winter time here in Pennsylvania, so not like I can drive it anyway. But last time I drove it was, I think, like October, like early October. So I missed a good bit of fall, even, you know, with this car. Show you guys. For you, those of you who are a little new, this is a 2001. S2000, obviously. Red interior. Car used to be black. We did wrap it. It's pretty close to a factory blue, but just a little off. But for those of you that have been following, shut the fuck up. Jesus. It's been a long time since this car's been on the channel, so luckily we can get back in her today and show you what we got. Got a new mirror. Pretty cool. Girlfriend got me this. Oh wait, oh, it probably needs batteries. Son of a bitch. Oh man, out here in the cold, shit dies. Got of course you gotta get the spoon. I already got one, just wanted to get one for my clutch. We'll put that on later. But it's cool, kind of like matches my car. But I did pick up some innovative diff mounts. I rock innovative motor mounts in the trans mount, so I just figured why not just get these. I hear mixed opinions about these. I don't know. It was cheap and available because Hassport has been on back order a lot, so I just said fuck it and I just got this. These are 95A, so they're like 500 plus. Figured if I ever, you know, turn this thing up really hard, that it'll be worth it. See if this thing will even start. It's a little chilly, so might need to hook the battery up.
It was at 10.5 volts, so nice. That's what we need it to be at. Yeah. Hey boys, we're headed up to Jackson's lift to throw it up in the air. You guys are finally going to be able to listen to the noises. Makes a pretty rad clunking. Hopefully it happens so you guys can listen to it, but either way, she's now to go. Yeah, puppy go. Good driveway here. Oh, listen to that thing. That thing is making so much noise. Oh, rip my freaking tires. Gonna get freaking mud everywhere. Oh, listen to that diff. But at least we're just going up the lane quick. Oh, more mud. Lovely. That's like, what the hell? What'd you think about that?
Dude, that's wow.
Isn't it?
That is
just imagining having to drive like 10 miles home like that.
I couldn't imagine going any faster than 20 miles an hour.
Oh, I had to. You know, I could get home. It was like a weeknight, and I was like, no one's coming to get me, so I guess I'm just going home.
Jeez.
This is why we're gonna have to start working on that trailer.
Start working on that one,
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, slap a new one in, right?
Yeah, you're good. Straight. Place this bad boy.
Yeah, because she's broken.
Dude, that thing was I wish you could have heard it, Brandon.
You guys don't have it in the recording?
Yeah, we do. You'll be able to hear it. Yeah, we got to take a bracket off. This bracket. Take off the sway bar now because we know we're going to be changing out the diff mounts for different mounts. So we're dropping that, and then we're going to continue taking the axles out. Hey. We already got the front drive shaft out, and now we're attacking the axles. Yeah, it's weird. Well, we got to throw her in gear because we're trying to break the drive shaft bolts loose next, and it is spinning the drive shaft.
Oh, yeah.
So make sure you put it in gear before you throw it up in the air. Most you probably aren't up in the air, so just put it in gear. We're going to drop the rear diff mounts, and then it's going to be hanging on the front ones, and then we're just going to drop them and be ready to catch the diff.
I don't know what's going to come out.
Oh, like the thing might spin in it.
No, yeah, it's like torn. My mount's like torn. I'm going to heat it.
Yeah, get the rear mounts first, and then you'll attack these front ones. So we had a little mishap with this diff mount. It wouldn't come out, so we pulled the stud out of the rear mount, but this one's going normal. But what we're gonna do now is pull the diff mounts out from the back, and then we're gonna pull the diff forward to get it out. Good.
So this diff mount being torn, it's kind of funny. I'm kind of used to that because I grew up working on like big trucks and tractors, and almost every time you replace a bushing, it's rotted out like this. So like me and my dad always just would like literally torch the whole rubber out, like melt it clean off. And then we'll just like, in this case, obviously it's a bolt-in kind of thing, so then you just replace it.
Yeah. Totally forgot the Honda mounts have fluid in them.
Any of you not Honda people?
Oh, there's fluid all over me. Fuck.
Where?
The ends.
Oh shit, it's on the GoPro. Yeah.
Yeah, take them goddamn freaking rear diff mounts out of there, and then you can attack the front ones. And the axle.
Oh shit, cunt. She fucking fell right down there, buddy. Oh shit, wasn't expecting that.
Well, maybe we'll need to support it more.
Yeah, might have to get some buoys.
Yeah, buoys or a pole jack. If you don't have a pole jack, get some buoys.
Yeah.
What we just did there, you see the axles?
They have pins, and they have dowels.
Yeah, they have dowels that just stick inside them to center them, I'm guessing. Yeah. So we moved, since we took the rear diff mounts out, it allowed us to move the differential to each side.
Yep.
Moved it to the right and popped the left one out. Right. And vice versa. And we kept these mounts in so we didn't have to hold the diff up the whole time.
Never sees. Yeah, never sees didn't work on that other one, did it?
Now we're going to, probably just going to pop these two bolts out right here, and somebody's going to support it, and we're going to drop her down.
You got it? Holy shit, dude. How are you doing that?
That was fine. Rear bar.
Look at that.
It's an AP2 diff.
What the fuck? So I hope the shit mounts up.
Well.
It's pretty seized.
Yeah, so after we take the mushroom bar diff mount off the back, then we got to change over the studs to the new diff, because I guess that guy pulled his off.
Yeah. Quick review about these innovative mounts, and this is why I feel like people have mixed opinions about innovative. They have slotted holes for the actual mount to the frame. I don't understand that because the stock ones don't, and to me that's just leaves room for error.
Yeah, like Matt you don't said know earlier, where to set them.
Yeah, Matt said earlier, if that's crooked at all, one, it's going to put extra stress on these mounts, and then two, my drive shaft might not be straight. So I don't quite understand that, but we're just going to send it.
All right, Jared, just come in here and just be here.
Let's see if me and Matt can get it up there. Hold on, let me get the damn drive shaft. All right, we're going to have to go up.
We got to get the axles.
For the axles.
Axles in, and then we're going to rest on these studs. All right, Let's go for the right one first. We got the right one last. So we'll go right. Go up with the stud. Get the stud up. Get the stud in there. Yeah. That one's in. Oh, that one's in. Yeah. We gotta get this. There. Come on. Push it. Just hit it a little bit with your hand if you can. It needs this the tiniest little bit. There it goes. Let's push it. This is good. All right. Okay, hold on. We gotta get the axle in yet. Yeah. We gotta get to the one side. It's good. It's good. You're good. Well, we need a transfer. Yeah, that's what we need. Yeah. Woohoo! Let's go, baby.
Going up is
New mounts in. Gotta put the rear mounts on. Fucking send it.
the hard parts.
Hard part's done. Yeah. Drive shaft is up. She is on her way to the road, dude.
Well, let's just see something quick.
Start this bitch up. Gonna try to run it on the lift now. We have got everything set up. Moving and grooving, no clunking.
Oh, let's double check. Hell yeah! No clunking, man. It's good day. Shout out to Summit Works in State College. Sorry, I was going to say Penn State. Same thing. State College.
Shout out to Summit Works. Gave us a good diff, baby.
Yeah, dude. That was good shit. Good shit. Just like that. Huh?
Let's go. Same day, baby.
The next time you see us, we should be driving it. We just gotta swap the fluid. We're just gonna, obviously, I don't trust what's in it or whatever.
Yeah,
but,
definitely gotta swap fluid. Definitely.
And then you'll see us in the car and test drive. So.
Big old POV test drive, baby. Woo! It's kind of warm in here. Yay, the heat's working. Yeah. Thank fucking God. Oh, thank God for coolant.
Alright, that's still hooked up.
Oh my
That's
God.
my exhaust.
I haven't been in so long.
That's my exhaust.
Yeah.
Hitting the frame again.
Back and busy. Feels solid.
Yeah.
New diff mounts feel solid.
Yeah. Feels like a planted.
Yeah, literally.
Let's fucking go! My battery's dead.
Yeah, that's too cold, dude. Well, boys, we figured out the diff situation. We were right. It was a differential being bad. We think it was the carrier bearings, right? That's what you think?
That's what I think. That's what, so originally I heard this droning, whining, like almost like a bad bearing. So that's why I assumed the carrier bearings were going bad. And then we had a bunch of play, like with the axles and everything in there. So that's why I imagine it was carrier bearings. So,
Yeah.
but then when it grenaded, so to speak, it was just like this non-stop, like, but when I like listened to it with like a screwdriver, it sounded like it was coming from directly inside the case. So I don't know if something came apart, you know, like a bearing came apart or through metal in the gears or something. So the old diff, I'm either gonna tear it down myself, or I'll send it to. I have to send it to Putty Mod when he sends me my built one. I'm getting the built one in April, so I'll probably just ask him or leave a note in the box I ship it in, just like, hey, if you take this apart, just kind of let me know. I'm kind of curious. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it's been a long time since the S2000's been on here, but obviously it's cold as shit, so we're not gonna drive it anyway. But I got a couple more things to do before I get it really back on the road again. But stay tuned for warm weather and springtime, and I'm gonna be driving this thing as soon as possible. So
Yeah,
we'll be bringing you
POVs
more
are coming.
content. Yeah,
For sure.
as soon as the salt's off the roads, because I don't like driving it like that. But
Yeah, every Wednesday we upload at 11 a.m. Follow our Instagram for daily content at 7 Valleys Garage.
Yep.
Stay tuned, people.
thanks for watching. See you next time.